Okay guys, so as you know, I bought the PXN V9. Yeah, it's a steering wheel with a shift gear thingy and the pedals at the bottom with the clutch. Anyways, the problem with my gear changer now is that it's only getting stuck at it's only getting stuck here. Let me show you now. Okay, so this is the calibration of it, and I'm supposed to be having, like, if I change to 1 there, that's normal. If I change to 2, that's normal. 3 is not responding, it's only taking, it's doing the same thing. So even if I go there, same thing, it's only responding, mapping all of my keys to 17 and 18. Even if I go to the reverse, it's mapping it to the same thing. Alright, so with time I figured out what's wrong with this. It's not that, it's nothing to do with the software or game that you're playing. It has to do with the hardware of the PXN V9. So we're gonna open this. To open this, all you need to do is to take off the cap, which has got the gear numbers written on it there. Unscrew this, untie the screw that's there to remove the head. Then you unscrew these 6 screws over here. So all you have to do is to unscrew these and 6 more at the bottom. After that, then we can deal with the issue, which I will be showing you guys very soon. Yes, I do not take credit for this. I didn't really figure this out myself. Yeah, I had a problem with it. It was in Eurotrack, it was getting stuck on gear 3 and 4, 3rd gear and 4th gear. So I searched on YouTube. There was only one video about it, and yeah. So if there's more and more videos about this issue, then people can solve the issue more often. Anyways, now we have to unscrew 6 screws at the bottom. Yeah, it's I don't think it's a common error with maybe the Logitech. Maybe the Logitech is better. Because yeah, for a $200 steering thingy, I shouldn't be getting such results. Yes, it's better. So yeah, there is this the rubber shoes or something like that to make the gear changer sit properly on its desk without creating issues for you, like scratching your desk and the likes. Anyways, I'll be done soon opening the screws. I only have 1 to go now. Then I can show you what's going on with it. I hope it's going to be clear. As you know, my main cameras are way over there. Wow, what a song. Anyway, so this is the inside of the PXN V9. As you can see already, mine something that thing over there. So when you open it, I guess you take a look over there. So when you're changing gears, this is the one that's supposed to respond. So it's out. There is a hole inside over there. I don't know if you're gonna see clearly. Yeah, you're not gonna see. Let me try to switch on the flashlight. Give me a minute. Okay, so right over there, I'm sure you can see it now there. Yeah, there. It's focused now, so it's supposed to go in there. So I wouldn't advise you to mess around with this. Yeah, it does affect the response of the gear changer over there when you're now playing the game. So to avoid it from coming out, as you can see, there was old glue on it. There was some reddish glue. I'm gonna use this glue which we use for LCD replacement and cell phones, and hope that it's gonna hold for quite a long period of time like this. Because yeah, I did check it now about a few minutes ago, and it worked fine. I played Euro Truck over 2 long distances. Then when I was about to finish the other one, it just stopped responding at all, totally. So I just thought maybe if I make a video, someone is gonna see and appreciate. No, it's not about appreciation, it's about them being able to fix whatever they are facing with players. Okay, so there we go. Now that it's in there, I will hope that it's not gonna come out. I know I have to wait for it to dry. So if we take a look over there by the calibration there, you can see that if I go top, now 19 responds. If I go to 20, to the bottom, 20 responds. That's gear 3 and 4. If I go to gear 1, 17 responds. And if I go to gear number 2, 18 responds. And then if I go to gear number 5, 21 responds. Gear number 6, 22 responds. Then the reverse, you know, you press down and then you go like that, 23 responds. So all of the keys are now responding properly in there, which I like. So I just noticed there is 2 of these. There's another one over there. Yeah, if that one fails, it's probably gonna be more difficult to fix, and I hope it's not gonna come loose. Yeah, I think it's something that they could have done a good job with. Because the price of this thing and it failing like that, that's not something you would expect. It should be better than that. And I'm saying it shouldn't fail like this because I've noticed it does fail a lot of times actually. Yeah, because when I watched that video on YouTube, I wasn't the only one. There was like, that video had thousands of views. Was it thousands? Yes, thousands of views and 9 comments. Which mine became the 10th. Anyway, they shouldn't fail like this. They really need to do something about that, unless they are now becoming like Apple. They decide to design things that's gonna fail. Anyways, if it's like this, it's gonna respond now properly. And I can play my Euro Truck 5. Actually, let me close the bottom screws first. It makes it easy for me to close the top screws when I have mounted it to the desk. It's just 12 screws. 12 screws, and you fix that, then you have your gear changer working properly again. I don't even know the proper name for this. What is it called? I have no idea. Not really a fan of cars, but I'm a fan of games. Which, if you're a fan of games, it's only a matter of time before you try this. Trust me. Provided that it's staying wherever you are, and you're a fan of games, you end up buying it. So yeah, there's 4 more screws right over there. These are not necessary to take out. The first time I opened this, I took them out, of which it wasn't necessary. Oh, Not at all. So I think we're cool with this now. Stop recording now. Put the shoes back. I think any glue is supposed to work to hold that calibration thing in place.